Hey everyone, my name is Hydro and today we are going to be taking a look at the spyglass, how to craft it and a lot more in this video. So make sure to smash the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe if you haven't already. And now let's begin. And so we're going to head over to this chest. And so this is the spyglass as you guys can see. And this is basically the crafting recipe. Let me just show you. So what you need to do is take your amethyst shard. All right, you'll require one amethyst shard and two copper ingots. So basically take the amethyst shard, put it on the top and place one copper ingot as so, like two copper ingots in a row. And here you have your spyglass as you guys can see. So they cannot be stacked as you guys can see. So they are non-stackable items. And basically how you use them is all right. So what you need to do is right click. So let me just show you and look at this guy. So right click and look at that pig over there. He looks way closer right now. And now if I just exit, so as you guys can see, so yeah, he's way farther away. So yeah, look at that. I'm seeing the fish and they could have just added the name of the mob. So salmon, and then they could have added how much distance it is away from me. That would have been a really cool feature to implement, I feel like, instead of just putting these random black parts. But hey, you know, Mojang can always change it. The Caves and Cliffs update is still quite far away. It's coming in July, I think. And so yeah, it's quite far away, and hopefully we'll see a lot more added to the spyglass. Or many people are actually calling it the telescope, but actually what you need to do is search in your inventory, in your creative inventory. You need to search for spyglass and not telescope, otherwise you won't find it. And you know what, the quality is actually pretty good. I mean, there's no real blurring or anything like that. The quality is still really nice, so that's a really cool feature that I like. And yeah guys, so this is basically this spyglass. This is a little in-depth review of this new item that has been added. And if you guys did enjoy it, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and in the meantime go ahead and check out some of my other videos that are on your screen right now, and I'll catch you guys over there. Now see ya.